Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can create an account with LTX Studio. In order to do so, head on over to ltx.studio, and once you get here, you are going to see the option here to start for free. So if you haven't created an account yet and you want to get started, just go ahead and click on that. And then from here, you can either sign in with Google or you can sign in with your email. We'll go ahead and sign in with Google. And as you can see, with just a couple clicks of the button, we are now logged into LTX Studio and we have created an account in the process. Now, if you do it with your email, you might have a couple more steps that you'll have to go through. But once you get started, you can just accept the terms and conditions and go through the steps to describe your role. And once you've done so, then you will have created your account. Let's go ahead and just go through which best describes your role. We'll go ahead and just say creative. What best describes your work? We'll go ahead and say production media company. What will you create with LTX Studio? Let's say short film. And there we go. We have now set up our account with LTX Studio. We're ready to go. Now you can use some free credits to get started, but if you want to get the most out of it, you are going to need to upgrade, and you are looking at $12 a month for the light version, $28 a month for the standard, and $100 a month for the pro. Now this is based on the yearly subscription. If you go to the monthly, then you're looking at $15 a month for the light, $25 for the standard. Now that is a limited time offer, and $85 for the pro, again limited time offer. So if you are interested, head over to LTX Studio. Hopefully that sale is still going on, but if it has expired, then you're looking at $35 for the standard and $125 for the pro. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look at the link in the description, there you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. And if you're interested in starting an account with Simply Financial, you can get $50 to start. And if you refer your friends, you'll get $125 per referral, and your friends and family will also get $50 to start. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.